Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential for human health. It is found in many fruits and vegetables. Sources of vitamin C. Number 1. Guava. Guava is a tropical fruit that is rich in vitamin C, with 228 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Number 2. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small, fuzzy fruit that is high in vitamin C, with 93 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Number 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are a sweet and juicy fruit that are a good source of vitamin C, with 59 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Number 4. Oranges. Oranges are a citrus fruit that are well known for their high vitamin C content. They contain 53 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Number 5. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that is a good source of vitamin C, with 47 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Number 6. Mango. Mango is a sweet and juicy fruit that is also a good source of vitamin C, with 36 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit that is a good source of vitamin C, with 32 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Number 8. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a vegetable that are a particularly good source of vitamin C, with 127 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is a good source of vitamin C, with 89 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Number 10. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a small vegetable that are a good source of vitamin C, with 85 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Function of vitamin C. Number 1. Antioxidant. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Number 2. Collagen synthesis. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that provides structure to the skin, bones, tendons, and other tissues in the body. Number 3. Immune function. Vitamin C plays a role in the immune system by supporting the function of various immune cells and helping to protect against infections. Number 4. Iron absorption. Vitamin C enhances the absorption of iron from plant-based sources, such as beans and leafy greens. This is particularly important for vegetarians and vegans, who may have lower iron stores due to their diet. Number 5. Wound healing. Vitamin C is involved in the process of wound healing, helping to repair damaged tissue and promoting the growth of new tissue. Number 6. Mood regulation. Vitamin C has been shown to have a positive effect on mood and may help to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Number 7. Cardiovascular health. Vitamin C may help to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by reducing inflammation, improving blood vessel function, and reducing blood pressure.